Well, hey there, ladies and gentlemen from the internet. Today we are going to do an unboxing video for the brand new 2021 MacBook Pro 14-inch with gray. Okay, we just got this from Costco with the $50 off. So let's take a look. All right, we have the little thingy right here to pull. Oof. 14 inches, kind of small for my taste, but it's not my laptop, it's my sister's, so it's all good. All right, this is the MacBook Pro itself. Put it right here. Inside the box, we have a USBC cable with the charging port right here. And then this side is the USB-C. Okay, let's take this guy out. Let's take it out for dinner. Let's destroy the package. That's what I do. Alright, so here you go. This is the cable. Not so long, but I think it's about 4 feet ish. Set to a 2 port right here. So this side is the charging side, and this is the USB-C side. And this one has a nylon cable on the for the wrapper, so it's kind of like nylon feel. Pretty cool. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Okay, let's open this up, see what's inside. Okay, this is a little booklet, I believe. Macbook Pro, instructions, yada yada, stickers if you want them. Put them on your card. And then we have the adapter, like such. Alright. And then you can see that the USB side goes onto here, right? USB-C into here, like that, and then you can just plug into your outlet. Or if you want to, you can also buy an extension cable, power extension cable to plug into here, and then you can have a longer extension. So when you go to Starbucks or some kind of office situation, when the power supply is not close by, I highly recommend that you get the power cord from here. Okay, but what's in the box? That's what they give you. Just the adapter itself and a charging cable. Alright, let's get it out of the way. Let's look at this computer. This is a MacBook Pro. Brand new in 2021. Open it up. Alright. Pretty solid build. You can feel it is pretty solid. Okay, let's look at the ports we have here. Okay, it looks like we have the normal headphone jack right there, so that's good. You can plug in your normal headphone into here. 2 USB-C on the left side. This is the left side of the computer, and then the power right here. Get a better look at the computer right here. Okay. So there's the power right there. And let me just make sure that I am correct. Let's make sure that the power cable is plugged in right here. Wow, look at that. Sweet. Let's see what kind of stuff they have on the right side. Okay, so look at this one. So they do have an HDMI port right here, another USB-C, and I believe this is the card reader as well. So many people complain about the last generation of MacBook Pros, because last generation has all USB-C ports, right? This is the last generation. This is my work computer. The last generation only have two USB-C on the right and a headphone jack, and then another 2 USB-C on the other side, and that's all the port they give you. No HDMI, no card reader, right? I don't know whose decision it was that to make to get rid of all the ports, but the newer generation, they hear from customers. They say, hey, let's bring the port back, okay? Because charging the computer with USB-C, the USB-C cable can get kind of wiggly. So I'm not a big fan of the USB-C right now. And the HDMI cable, many computer or many monitors or TVs even, they don't have a USB-C connector. They use HDMI, right? So if you want to use the previous version of the MacBook Pro with the existing TV, you gotta use some kind of dangle to to adapter to plug into a USB-C to work. Okay, but the newer MacBook Pro, they brought back the port, the HDMI port, as well as the card reader. Card reader is very important as well for filmmakers because, I mean, come on, right? When you have a memory card that goes into your MacBook Pro normally, now you gotta use another dangle for the previous version. But this one, you can plug in the card straight into the card reader slot. Let me just make sure that you have a card right here. Okay. So hey, I found a little card right here. All right. I can just plug in straight into here. Card reader, boom, done. And the previous version, nothing. Nothing. Let's throw that away. So newer version brought back the ports that I use often, HDMI and a card reader. So good job, Apple. So let's open this guy up. Let's see what's inside. It turns on. There's a little screen protector thing. This is your first time opening up your MacBook Pro, and there's many different ways to say hello in different languages. Okay, so what I can see here, the keyboard is really simple. Very cool keyboard, very responsive. It doesn't have the smart bar on the new model, right? The old model, the previous version has a smart bar.
Is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, well, not that right now. So you can see that the older version has a smart bar. On here, you can do like some functions for different apps. All right, this doesn't have a smart bar, which I'm not too care about, to be honest, because right now your dim light and your volume control is now back into the keyboard again, which is awesome. Less thing to worry about for my computer, so this is great. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little side by side of the comparison of the buttons, just the buttons right here, of all the MacBook Pros I have, right? This is the newest one. We just opened box with this one. Alright, like I said, this one has the control button on top. This one is the oldest model that I have. It's from the 2015 model, right? We have the buttons right here. This is the earlier version of 2017, I believe, that has the smart bar right here. All right, I'm not a really big fan of the smart bar, to be honest. The touch bar now in here, because for a couple of reasons. Because this, if you look at the older model, right, we have the dim button right here. You dim the screen. You open the screen like this, easy. The mute button, the volume button, right, the keyboard dim, the keyboard light button is everything's on there. It's pretty convenient when you are looking at the MacBook Pro in the dark, or you just want a quick mute, quick volume button. Everything's on there. Same thing as the newest version of the MacBook Pro 2021. All right, you have the dim light right here. You can search. You have the speaker light right here. The speaker button right here. And then you have the play and forward and backward, and then you have the volume button right here. So that's awesome. I think this is also the live scan login as well. You can put a finger here, and you can log in. So that is amazing. Okay, I like this one because this one brings back the older model with all the buttons on the keyboard, right? Which you can have fast access to your volume and your level of dimness, okay? But on the previous model with the Smart Touch, in order to control a volume, you gotta okay, let's say you're on this browser, right? You have to go press this button right here, the volume, adjust the volume like such, and you have to close it out. I mean, that's like 3 clicks right there, right, to control the volume, right? And then for dimness, it's the same thing. You have to press that, and then close it. It's just too much. On a keyboard here, just easy. Too easy. Just button, dim, more light, less volume, more volume, mute. Too easy. Alright, so I think Mac make a kind of pretty big mistake on the previous version, because the touch bar and only the 4 USBC ports. But on the newest model, I'm so glad they bought the port back as well as the keyboard function back. I mean, it just had to be so simple and so fast. So yeah, this is the open box video for the MacBook Pro 2021. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe and like the video. And yeah, we also have the affiliate link for Amazon. You can check the price for this guy. This is a 14-inch space gray MacBook Pro 2021. Thanks for watching.